camera. With an ordinary doorbell and an even more ordinary door lock. Boring. This is 2022. It's time for 3-in-1 integration with eufy Security Video Smart Lock. It's simple to install.
Easy.
I knew you could do it. Let's see what else Video Smart Lock can do. No matter what you're doing, see who's at your door and unlock it.
Really?
I said it, didn't I?
Hello, Mom. I'm home.
Easy, right? It works in cafes.
Mom, let me in.
And at the office.
Mom, open the door.
Anytime, anywhere.
Can I check Video Smart Lock from space?
Sure, why not?
Mom, open the door.
That kid's going to need a bath.
Surprise!
Well, where's my phone?
You could have used your voice.
So how?
You know,
Hey Alexa, open the door. Like this?
just like that.
Wow.
Let's let them have fun.
Hey guys, thanks for
Oh,
coming.
check out those line thingies. That's your data. It'll be securely uploaded to your Chime for free. Let's go inside Video Smart Lock. Video Smart Lock features the fastest advanced fingerprint technology. Unlock in any situation and watch the self-learning AI increase its speed and accuracy the more often you use it. Kids can use it. Grandma can use it. It works in rainy weather and on snowy days too. And with dual detection technology, you'll know when anyone enters or leaves your home. Ugh, not this again. Can we get a hold of Mom?
Let's see how you like this, Mr. Thief.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Nicely done, Mom. Video Smart Lock protects your home and your family. Experience the ultimate convenience at your front door with advanced 3-in-1 integration. That's eufy Security Video Smart Lock.
My brother and I love to challenge each other and always strive to be the best version of ourselves. Whenever there was a difficulty, we looked for a solution. One day, we encountered an inconvenience that everyone knows: keys. You never know where to put them or where you've left them. So we created Nuki, the smart lock. The solution is simple. With Nuki, you can open your door using your smartphone as a key. We are now the #1 smart lock in Europe, pioneering and shaping the category we've established. Our mission is to make life more convenient for millions of people. That's why Nuki is working side by side with industry giants such as Apple, Amazon and Google to develop Meta, the new universal standard in smart home. We are proud to introduce the 4th generation of Nuki smart locks. With Meta and with all new electronics and software. Meta makes it easier than ever to connect your smart home devices and integrate Nuki into your smart home. And for an unmatched user experience, we've also improved the average battery life by 30%. The new smart locks are now available at selected retailers and on nuki.io. Make your life easier and upgrade to a new level of convenience. With Nuki, the smart lock.
Introducing SwitchBot Lock Pro, a more pro kind of retrofit smart lock, compatible with most lock types you'd find at home. It's time to forget old keys and start unlocking your door with just one thing, your finger. We're now more pro, with 15 different kinds of unlock methods available. You can even generate one-time passcodes for visitors with just a tap. Always feel like you forgot to lock your door? Fear not. Lock Pro can detect if your door is left open, and your lock status can be viewed right from your smartphone, too. That's right. We're pro when it comes to home security. Worried about low battery issues? We're still pro. Our innovative dual power pack guarantees never-ending power. You heard right, infinite battery life.
Hi Siri, open the door.
With Matter, Lock Pro can easily become part of your smart home ecosystem to give you more time for things like, I don't know, hugs. And with just one click, you can leave home quicker and easier thanks to Quick Key. SwitchBot Lock Pro, a more pro kind of retrofit smart lock.